here. So it's been a while since I did like a proper house tour. So today we will just do a house tour. I just got back home not that long ago and I would love to show you guys how I've been living. So it's like semi-tidy. So I guess like usually last time I showed you guys how a messy minimalist lives. And I've shown you all the mess that I had. And I have shown you guys my house many times when it was nice and tidy and nice and clean. But I guess you could say my house right now it's at like an in-between state, so you can see how like a minimalist lives and like an average cleanliness. So this would be like my house when I haven't really kept up with it too much, but also not let it just be a dumpster. So without further ado, let's get started, starting with my bathroom right now. So over here is my bathroom. Whee! You can see I kind of need to get rid of all the nasty hair down there. Woo! What can I say? I shed a lot nowadays. And you can see this toothbrush, it's actually my friend's, but she left it here last time and she actually gave me like a new one as well. But I used it to clean my sink, so I need to like let her know to not use that next time she's here. But yeah, I left it down there so I can like clean all the nooks and crannies, which I need to do. And one of the updates on my soap is that it actually, I told you guys how I use this as like a propping stand, but you can see how the soap kind of like disintegrates due to moisture. So that happens regardless of whether you have like a soap holder or not. So I don't know, but I guess one of the positive things of putting it just on this little ring is that whatever soap gunk I have, it's like it just falls down, so I don't really need to so that doesn't get seeped back into the soap. So I don't know, it's got its pros and cons or something. Then here's my regular shampoo and conditioner. I've been running low on shampoo and conditioner, so I think I will need to buy more. But I think instead, next time what I will do is actually buy the shampoo and conditioner that I use on my clients, so I can kind of see how they feel whenever they use my product and stuff like that. So yeah, I can kind of experience what they're going through. Over here you can see a bunch of like, these are individually wrapped teeth cleaner things. They were already at the salon, so I decided to just bring it home because I don't think any of my customers will be like eating and then like plucking out their teeth. They should really be doing that at home and not at the salon. So yeah, there's that. And over here you can see some of my skin condition creams. These are for like when I have really bad rashes, so they're like medicated. And then there's my cream, and this is my toothbrush that I currently use, and that's a new toothbrush that I told you that my friend gave me. And then you can see my foundation for those days when I decide to do my skin at home or something like that before going out. And there's my body lotion, and here's a new body lotion that I haven't opened yet, but I think I will need to open that soon because I'm running low on the other body lotion. And here's like my first aid skincare, I guess. It's like collagen water, so it's like tonic water for my face as soon as I get out of shower. Because some of you guys know I have eczema, so my skin gets dried really fast. So I need to put some moisture on myself like right away, so that's what I would use. And you can see my Q-tips. Sometimes they're by the bed over there because I like to like pick at my ear, I guess, when I'm sleeping. You shouldn't really do that, it's not healthy for you, but yeah, that's what's going on. And here's some sunscreen, which I need to use more often. I should be running out of this already, but some of my like foundations and like concealers, they already have SPF, so I think that's why I'm a little bit lazy. Anyway, that's the justification that I use for myself. And then here's the floss. And we will move out into the main living area. Whee! I forgot to turn around the camera, but I think this is fine, so yeah, over here you can see my clothes that I tidied it up a little bit. You can see the bra, which I'm gonna wear tomorrow, so I just left it there. And then my huge poofy trusted coat for the winter. And over here you can see my fridge and my bed situation. I haven't made up the bed, whoops. But yeah, and then over here I kept all the miscellaneous items. I used to have a white basket, but I actually took it to work because I spend most of my time at work anyway, and I needed some storage, so that's what's going on. So a bunch of stuff here. And down here, yeah, oops, I need to move this toilet paper actually into where they belong. Like I said, it's not completely tidy yet. I'll just keep it by the bathroom door, just like that. So there's that. And on my bed here, this shirt and shorts, I will actually wear this later today when I go to sleep, so I just kept it there. How many of you guys have done something like this? I know I sure have. And there's a big towel that I use to dry my hair because I keep forgetting to bring my styling items from work home. So I have extra hair dryer that I bought, that I left at work, that I was going to use at home, but I keep forgetting to bring it here. So yeah, I've been drying my hair with just a towel at night, which I don't really recommend. If you can like dry your scalp completely using like cool air in your dryer, you should try and do that, because going to sleep with wet scalp can do all sorts of damage as far as hair loss and things like that goes. So yeah, there's my little water. And then yeah, nothing special down here in my bed, just my futon. And we will move over here, and you can see just some plastic bag that's just flying around, which I need to move into one corner of my house because I feel lazy. And here's the backpack. I actually wore my backpack when I went out today. You know, there's always like a nook of time where you can work on something. You know, even if you make plans with someone, whatever, just in case it doesn't work out, you can actually work on some stuff, which I didn't have to do today, which is nice. But I did bring my backpack just in case. I should probably put up the sunglasses. I did not intend to just leave it on the floor. That just was there. I guess I didn't even see it. That's what happens when you got so many things going on. Like your brain is just everywhere and you do like the most essential things, and then you kind of like overlook the details. But here on my drying rack, as you notice, there's a lot more stuff, but most of these are actually towels from my work. So I will bring these to the salon tomorrow morning, so I have enough towels at work. And then some of my work outfits that I've been wearing a lot this week, because that's all I've been doing, just working. Over here in my kitchen, you can see all the glorious mess. There's this juice that I just bought, which I need to take to the fridge in a second. But yeah, my tumblers just right there. I did wash some of my utensils, but I made some dinner last night, so you can see like my other utensils and things like that. And I just threw my earphones and then my mask on here. I should probably take this back to the living room. This is literally how I organize, by the way, you guys. Like, I'll just walk around the house and just grab whatever I notice and then just clean them as I'm going along. So yeah, here's my kitchen. And I took out some trash, so there's not that much trash. But yeah, that's and the sweater is a turtleneck. My friend gave it to me, but I realized turtlenecks just don't go well with me, so I'm gonna put it in a donation bin. But I just threw it in this corner for now because I'm really not feeling like going out. It's really cold outside today. And over here, you can see some extra masks that I have, some kitchen stuff, and some instant rice. I only have like 3 packets now left. And then yeah, that's about it for my kitchen, you guys. Whee! So realistic, huh? It is realistic because it is freaking real. This is how I live. You would think that like a person who owns a business would have like a high-rise apartment, but that's not how things are usually. Especially if you're just like a small business owner. But yeah, we'll move over here from on the fridge. We'll do a fridge tour as well. In my freezer, there's food trash that I haven't taken out yet, and all the samgyeopsal went bad, so I need to throw those out as well. I'm freezing them for now, so I didn't have to deal with it at the time, but I really should deal with that. I have some ice. I'm gonna have some grape juice in a second because I only had 1 meal today, but it was delicious dinner. And over here in this fridge, you can see a couple of apples, and then my mom, she brought me some side dishes when she came to visit me for my birthday, which was very nice. Do you know when my birthday was? Very special day. And here's some grape juice that I bought so I can snack on it tonight. And then some, you know, gochujang. Because, you know, you gotta have gochujang, you're Korean. So yeah. Anyway, that is my entire house tour in less than 10 minutes. I hope you guys liked my video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I have been putting up a lot of live content, and I just want you guys to know that I will still put up like a regular minimalist video every week. So those are just bonuses. I'm probably going to do like a special content for New Year's. Maybe something along the lines of like what kind of goals I have. I don't know if that will be in live form or in like a regular video form. But in any case, it's always lovely to see you guys. I wish you guys wonderful, wonderful holidays. I hope you eat a lot of good food and you spend time with the people that you love the most. Sending you all my love and my gratitude. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye!